Hi students, welcome to maths class. In the previous class we started quadratic equations, word problems on quadratic equations. Before starting the problem, I would like to let you know some important points. First one is, how many are watching the videos regularly? How many of you watching the videos regularly? And second question is, how many of you are able to understand? All may not be able to understand. How many are able to understand the concepts? Do you feel like clarifying your doubts? Whenever you get doubt, do you feel like clarifying your doubt or not? You check yourself. Or simply copying the concepts? Check yourself once again all these points, and whenever you have a doubt, you are free to ask anytime to my number 9948932946. This is my number. Anytime you are free to ask your doubt. Clear? So I request all of you to watch the videos regularly, because very few views I am getting. So together 9th and 10th, nearly 75 students are there, but very feeble views I am getting. So I feel very sorry to say this. So kindly hereafter, at least now onwards, you just put your effort to learn the concepts perfectly and make a note on this. Thank you. So yesterday we have seen some word problems in the quadratic equations. Let us continue. One problem. By increasing the speed of car, by increasing the speed of car, by 10 km per hour, the time of journey for a distance of 72 kilometers is reduced by 36 minutes. Find the original speed of the car. Okay, that is the question. You see here, let the original speed of the car be, let the original speed of the car be x kilometer per hour. So we have to find out that. So let it be x. Now distance also is there. Distance is how much? 72 kilometers. Distance is there, 72 kilometers. Speed is there, distance is there. Time taken can we find? Only three variables will be there. Time, distance and speed. Time taken is equal to speed equal to distance by time. So distance by speed equal to, what is the relation we have? Distance by time. So I want time, so distance by speed. What is the distance here? 72 upon speed is x hours. Now what is the question? Speed of the car is increased by, if the speed of car increased, if the speed of car increased by how much? If the speed of car increased by 10 km per hour. If the speed is increased, what happens? It takes less time to reach the destination. So if the speed of the car increased by 10 km per hour, then speed equal to, previously x we have, now increased by 10. So kilometer per hour. Speed is x plus 10. Distance same, no change. Now again I am finding time taken is equal to distance by speed 72 upon x plus 10 hours. Now as per the data, what is the condition here? After increasing the speed 72 upon x plus 10, previously how much time taken here? 72 by x takes less time than previous, right? Because speed is increased now, so it takes less time than before. Before speed time is 72 by x minus how much less it is taking now? 36 minutes less. 36 minutes means I will change. Since 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, change it into hours because everything is in hours here. So 36 minutes means 36 by 60 hours. Okay. Now we will solve this. So I will shift 72 by x minus 72 by x plus 10 is equal to 6 6 are 6 10s are 2 3s are 2 5s are, so 3 by 5. Take 72 common, means 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 10 equal to 3 by 5. So 72 into x plus 10 minus x upon x square plus 10x equal to 3 by 5. X gets cancelled. So 72 into 10 upon x square plus 10x equal to 3 by 5. Okay. 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Right? So if you cross multiply x square plus 10x equal to, here we have 5 10s are 50, 5 4s 20, 24 5s are how much? 5 4s 20, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. So 24 5s are 120, already 0 is there, so 1200. Right? So 1200. Now that 1200 you bring this side. X square plus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0. Equation 1, which is a quadratic equation in terms of x. So what to do now? Comparing one with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a value 1 and b value 10 and c value minus 1200. Right? We have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You remember this quadratic formula. So substitute the values here. Okay. I am erasing this. So I will write now values in the formula. X equal to minus b means here minus 10 plus or minus root of b square means 10 square 100 minus 4ac plus 4 into 12 4800 upon 2a 2. So minus 10 plus or minus root of 4900 upon 2. So minus 10 plus or minus 49 square root is 7. 0 0 means you write 1 0. So x equal to minus 10 plus 70 by 2 or x equal to minus 10 plus 70 by 2. That means 60 by 2. 2 30s. Here, so sorry, this is minus 70, no? So this will be minus 80 by 2 means minus 40. It is rejected, right? Why? Because it is negative. So this is 60 by 2 means 30. So therefore what is x here? Since speed is cannot be negative, so we cannot take that. So the speed of car is 30 kilometer per hour. That is the end of solution. Okay. Next one. The bill for a number of people for overnight stay is rupees 4,800. If there were four more, the bill each person had to pay would have reduced by rupees 200. Find the number of people staying overnight. Find the number of people staying overnight. Okay. Let the number of persons originally be. Let the number of persons originally be x. What is the total amount of bill here? Total amount is equal to rupees 4,800. Okay, share of each person. Total amount 4800. Persons are X. So share will be 4800 upon number of persons. Okay. Now persons are 4 increased. If there were 4 more persons, if there were 4 more persons, then this will be X plus 4, right? Persons will be X plus 4. Now share of each person equal to 4800. Amount is same, but persons are more. X plus 4, right? If number of persons are more, then what happens? The bill each person had to pay would have reduced by rupees 200. Share will be less. If persons are more, automatically share will be less, right? As per the data. But as per the data, if persons are more, what happens? Share will be less, right? So 4800 by X plus 4. After increasing that 4 persons, this is the share of each. This will be equal to 4800 by X minus how much less now? 200. Because if persons are more, what happens? Share of each person will be reduced. How much is reduced? 200. After increasing is equal to before minus 200. Small logic here. Same, all the problems are same concept. By X minus 4800 by X plus 4 is equal to 200. Now take 4800 common. 1 by X minus 1 by X plus 4 equal to 200. So 4800 into X plus 4 minus X by X square plus 4X equal to 200. So here XX gets cancelled. 4800 into 4 upon X square plus 4X equal to 200. 2 zeros gets cancelled here. 2 ones are, 2 twos are cut. So what is remaining? X square plus 4X is equal to, cross multiply, 48 twos are 96. So X square plus 4X minus 96 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation, right? Right. So I'll solve it. Comparing one with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then a value will be 1, b value 4, c value minus 96. So we have, what is the quadratic formula? X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b plus or minus square root of 16 minus 4 into minus plus 4ac. 4 6 are 24, 4 9s are 36 plus 2, 38 upon 2. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 384, 390, so 400. So we know very well 400 square root is how much? 20. 20s are 400, right? So minus 4 plus or minus 20 upon 2. So x equal to minus 4 plus 20 by 2 minus 4 minus 20 by 2. So 16 by 2, 8 minus 24 by 2 minus 12. Minus 12 it is rejected, negative. So what is my answer here? Therefore the number of people, therefore original number of people, original number of people, how many are staying there? 8. That is the end of solution. Okay. So kindly once again watch the videos sincerely and follow it. Thank you.